kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do numbers up to 1000. First is join the dots and color the picture. So here you have to start counting from 1, 2, 3 like this. You have to do the forward counting, join all the dots. 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, then 38, 39, 40 like this. You will join the dots and see what picture is drawn here and color it nicely. Okay. In the previous class we have studied number up to 100. First class में हमने number up to 100 पढ़ा था. The smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. 2 digit का smallest number क्या है? 10. And largest number is 99. 2 digit largest number, that is 9999. Smallest 3 digit number, that is 100. And the largest 3 digit number, that is 999. The smallest 4 digit number, that is 1000. 999 में 1 add करेंगे तो we will get smallest 4 digit number. Clear? Next, counting in hundreds. Now 110, 110, how many 10? 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. Now 200. 100 के 2 block है, 1 and 2. So that is equals to 200. Like this, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 800, 900. 100 के block दे रखे हैं. Next is counting in 100, tens and ones. 100, 0 tens and 5 ones. So 100 की place पे ones, tens and 100. So 100, so we'll write 1 here, 0 tens, 0 and 5 ones. So number क्या हो जाएगा? 105. Next is exercise 2A. Write the number 10 tens, that is equals to 100. 20 tens, that is equals to 200s. 200, 200. Clear? Next question. Write the numbers 300, 6 tens and 8 ones. 368. Same way 500, 7 tens, 5 ones. So number हो जाएगा 575. Next is fill in the blanks. 286 means ones, tens and 100. So 2 hundreds, 8 tens and 6 ones. Clear? Next, use of abacus. Using an abacus to read and write the numbers. Mark the 3 spikes of abacus with the ones, tens and 100 respectively. Count the bits in each spike. So this is a abacus. 3 spikes are there, ones, tens and 100. So we'll count the number of beats and accordingly we'll write the numbers. So here 100 की position में 4 beat है, so we'll write 4, 3 and 2. Now we will read it as 432. We never use more than 9 beats on any spikes on the abacus. Next is exercise 2B. Draw beats on the abacus to show the number. So number here is 467. So in ones place 7 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 beats, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That will represent number 467. Clear? Next is with the help of abacus write the numeral. So we have to count the beat and accordingly we'll write the numbers. So here 4 beats, so number 4, 3 and 4. So number is 434. Clear? Next, fill the missing number from 101 to 200. So we have to simply write the forward counting. 101, then 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Clear? Like this, we'll write number up to 200. Next is, fill the missing number from 201 to 300. Again, same forward counting, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209 and 210. Like this, we'll write number up to 300. Next is, fill the missing number from 301 to 400. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309 and 310 up to 400. Clear? Next, fill the missing number from 401 to 500. Same way, 401 से start करेंगे, 402, 403, 405. Like this, we'll write up to 500. Next, fill the missing number 501 to 600. Same, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505 till 600. Clear? Next, fill the missing number from 601 to 700. Same way forward counting करनी है हमें, 601, 602, 602, 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, 609, 610 up to 700. Next, fill the missing number from 701 to 800. Same, start from 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706 up to 800. Clear? Next is, fill the missing number from 801 to 900. So start from 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806 like this up to 900. Then fill the missing number from 901 to 1000. Start from 901, 902, 903, 904 like this. We'll write number up to 1000. 1000, that is 1000. Next is number names. First, ones की position पे 6 है, tens की position पे 1 and 4 at hundreds position. So 416. So we'll read it together. So 416 is read as 416. Similarly, 258 is read as 258. Clear? So tens and ones के नंबर को हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे and 100 वाले नंबर को separately. Next is exercise 2C. Write the number name 318. So that is, इसको हम साथ में लिखेंगे 318 EIGHTEEN 18. Clear? Next is, write the numbers 836. So 836. Clear? Next, match the number with the number name 123. So 123. Clear? Next, write the number just before and just after the given number. So 159 से just पहले आ जाएगा 158 and after that 160. Clear? Next, write the number that comes between the given number. 918, 920 के बीच में आ जाएगा 919. Clear? Next, place value and face value. The face value of a digit is actual value. Face value क्या होती है? Actual जो value है. The place value is the place of digit in the number. The 3-digit number has 3 places. For example, 576. So ones की place पे 6 हो जाएगा, tens की place पे 7 and 100 की place पे 5. So 500, 7 tens and 6 ones. So here the place value of 5 in 576, that is 500. But the face value will be the number itself. 5 की क्या होगी 5. Place value of 7, that is tens की पोजीशन पे है तो 70 हो जाएगी, but the face value is 7. 6, place value हो जाएगी 6 and the face value is also 6. The place value of 0 is always 0. Next is exercise 2D. Write the place value of each encircled digit. So ones, tens, 100. So place value हो जाएगी 500. Clear? Next, write the place value and face value of the colored digit. 7 ones की पोजीशन पे, so place value is 7 and face value is also 7. Clear? Next, expanded form and short form. The sum of the place value of all the digit in number given its expanded form. For example, we can write the 3-digit number in expanded form as 832. Expanded form में हम क्या लिखेंगे 800 plus 30 plus 2. 800 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. So this is the expanded form and short form में हम लिखेंगे 832. Clear? Next is exercise 2E. Write the expanded form of the following number 694. So we can write 600 plus 90 plus 4. That is the expanded form of given number. Clear? Next is write the short form of the following 300 plus 40 plus 2. So number will be 342. Clear? Next, comparison of numbers. Between two 3-digit number, the number having a greater digit at 100 place is greater. For example, we have to compare 497, 597. So first we'll write the number accordingly its place value. So now we will start comparing from the leftmost digit जो 100 की place पे. Here it is 4 and here it is 5. So 5 is greater than 4 or 4 is less than 5. So we can say 497 is less than 597. Clear? But in case if the digit at 100 place is same, so then we'll compare the digit at tens place. The number having the greater digit at tens place will be greater. For example, in these two numbers, the 100 digit is same. So we'll compare the digit at tens place. Here it is 6 and here it is 4. 6 is greater than 4, so we can say 568 is greater than 548. Now if the digit at 100 place and tens place are same, then we'll compare the digit at ones place. The number having the greater digit at ones place will be greater. Clear? Like we have to compare between these two numbers 659 and 654. So 100 place digit same, tens की place पे भी same है. Then compare the digit at ones place. Here it is 9 and here it is 4. 9 is greater than 4, so we can say 659 will be greater than 654. Next is exercise 2F. Fill in the boxes by using greater than, less than, equal to 912 and 816. So start comparing from the leftmost digit, that is 100 place पे. Here it is 9 and here it is 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So we'll say 912 will be greater than 816. Next, take the greatest number. Among these, greatest number क्या होगा 100 की यहाँ 1 है या 5 है या 4 है. So 514 will be greatest. Clear? Next, take the smallest number. Smallest हो जाएगा 100 की place पे यहाँ पे 6 है या 2 and 2. यहाँ पे same है, so we'll compare the digit at tens place. Here it is 1 and here it is 6. So this will be the smallest. Clear? Next, ordering numbers. Ordering numbers means writing them from least to the greatest or from the greatest to least. We use the place value chart to order the number. For example, arrange the number 564, 546, 502 and 543 in ascending order. So we'll compare the digit 8 at the 100 place. Clear? So here, इस तरीके से arrange करेंगे. In all the numbers, the digit in 100 place is equal. Clear? So now what we'll do? We will compare the digit at tens place. Tens place, 0 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 6. So यहाँ पे ये दोनों सेम है, बट अगर इन दोनों में कंपेयर करें सो 4 इज लेस देन 6. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 502 एंड ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर क्या हो जाएगा 564. दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट, दिस वन. क्लियर? नाउ we need to compare ones and two number with the 4 at tens place. So we'll see 6 is greater than 3, so we can see 546 will be greater than 543. Hence the number in ascending order कैसे हो जाएगा, ascending order means increasing, start from smallest move to greatest. 502, 543, 546 and 564. Next is exercise 2G. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means start from smallest, move to the greatest. Smallest number among all these is 123. Compare करेंगे, then 132, then 312 and the greatest is 612. Clear? Next, arrange the following number in descending order. Descending means घटते हुए क्रम में, means start from the greatest and move to the smallest. So among these the greatest is 918, then 726, then 409 and the smallest is 319. Clear? Next, mental exercises. The least 3-digit number is, 3 digit का जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है that is 100. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.